Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool about right here, and basically what this is a case that's actually used for your Fire HD10 tablet, and this is from the Amazon brand, you can see right here. So for this product, I actually have it in a few other colors, but the one that we got right here is a kind of like a green color. So you see the product is all well packaged and everything, but I'm actually opening it up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so right here we have the product. If you can see, this is basically what the color looks like, but I'm actually opening up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. So I'm peel out the back part right here. So when we take it out, this is basically everything that's included in the actual product. So here's what it looks like on this side, and then here's what it looks like on the other side right here. So they definitely have the opening for the camera slot right here. And when you guys read the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. But when we open it up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So they provide you guys a little instruction card to teach you guys how to use the product. But this is basically what the inside looks like. So let's put the device inside right here to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so we have the device right here. Let's put it in. So you basically want to clip it into the case. So once you guys got it in, this is basically actually looks like. And you guys can close it back like this. And it definitely has a magnetic option right here on the side to hold it in pretty nice. But basically once you guys have it in, this is basically what it looks like on this side. And here's what it looks like on this side. So the cool thing about this case, the way how to design it, you can definitely just open it up like this and use it like a stand like that. Or if you guys want to bend it right here, you can definitely fold it like this to give you guys a different position of how to actually hold it and everything. So if you guys want to go like that, or if you guys want to put it down like this, or if you guys want to fold it in a certain angle like this, you can definitely do that as well. You can definitely feel the high quality material that they use for the case right here, which is pretty nice. And also the material that they use on here definitely give you guys a very good grip if you guys want to carry around like that. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this down on the table to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, let me show you guys how it works. So you can definitely use it like this if you guys want to, or you can go like this, or you can go like this, or you can go like this as well. Or if you guys want to, you can go like that as well. So there's definitely a lot of different ways on how you guys can actually use this case right here, which is pretty cool. And it basically has like a magnetic design right here, so that way actually clips it on the back really nicely. And it's not like all over the place. So you see there's definitely a lot of different ways on how to actually use the product. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys all could test our product and definitely see it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to use. If you guys can see, you can definitely use actual stand in many different ways. If you guys want like vertical, if you guys want horizontal, you can definitely use it in many different ways. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. And like all my videos, I always recommend you guys to get like a case to protect like your phone, your tablet, your laptop, or whatever. So that way you guys actually get that extra protection layer for your product to prevent any kind of damage on your product in the future. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.